Hi, friends. Yesterday we learned about all the things that plants need to stay alive. We know that we need water, food, and shelter. And some of those things a plant needs too, but they need something a little bit more and a little different from us. We need water, food, and shelter. But what do the plants need? We heard all the things plants need to grow. So let's look at these pictures one more time. We talked about how the plants need something to grow healthy and strong. Who remembers what are some of those things? This is a picture of sunlight shining on plants. Sunlight is one of the plant's basic needs. Do you remember which part of the plant collects sunlight? Good job. Our leaves collect the sunlight. Why do plants need sun? What do they do with the sun? Good job. Plants need the sun to make food, and that's going to help them grow. What would happen if the plants do not get any sun? What if the plant is kept in a dark place like the closet? What do you think would happen to it then? Pause here and tell us. Remember, this is a picture of the rain falling on a plant. Rain is water that falls from the sky, and water is one of plants' basic needs. Do you remember what part of the plant soaks up the water? Good job. The soil soaks up the water and it goes all the way down to the roots. So we have the plant that needs sun and our plant needs water. Why do plants need water? The water's going to help it grow. Good job. And what do you think would happen if the plant did get any water to help it grow? What if it doesn't rain for a long, long time? Pause here and tell us what you think would happen to these leaves. This is a picture of a sprout growing down in the soil to get the nutrients. Remember, nutrients are one of the plant's basic needs. Plants get their nutrients from the soil. Do you remember what part of the plant grows down into the soil? Good job. The roots grow down into the soil and they need to get the nutrients. But wait, what do you think would happen if a plant did not get the soil and it didn't grow where there was dirt or it was growing on like concrete on the sidewalk? What do you think would happen if it did not get what it needs to stay alive? This is a picture of plants with air all around them. You can't see air, but it is everywhere, even around these plants. Air is one of plants' basic needs. Do you remember what part of the plant takes in the air? Leaves. Good job. We see all of these leaves. They are taking in the air. But why do the leaves on the plants need air? What do they do with the air? Awesome. They need the air and the sun to make their food, and that is going to help them grow. But wait a minute. What do you think would happen to the plant if it does not get the air it needs to grow? And it cannot grow down where there's any air, like if it's in a plastic bag. What happens if that plant does not get the air that it needs? So, my friends, you're going to try to do an experiment. Can you say experiment? We're going to see what happens if plants do not get some of the things that they need to grow. Remember, plants need air, plants need nutrients, plants need water, plants need sunlight. Our plants need these things to grow: sunlight, water, nutrients, and air. And then we can grow beautiful plants in gardens when they get all the things they need.